Welcome to our latest AI News Roundup, where we dive deep into the most significant developments shaping artificial intelligence today. In this episode, we'll break down the bold moves by DeepSeek, the latest controversies around Grok, and crucially, give you the full story behind OpenAI's Windsurf acquisition and Anthropic's legal troubles. DeepSeek's founder is making headlines as the company positions itself as a serious contender in the global AI race, directly challenging US dominance. Their aggressive strategies are sparking debate about the future of AI innovation and global competition. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's AI chatbot Grok has stirred controversy by addressing sensitive topics in its responses, raising important questions about how AI should be managed in public discourse and the ethical boundaries of conversational AI. Let's turn to the major AI industry stories you requested more detail on. We'll start off with OpenAI's Windsurf acquisition. In a strategic power play, OpenAI is in advanced talks to acquire Windsurf, an AI-driven software development tool, formerly known as Codium, for approximately $3 billion. This would be OpenAI's largest acquisition to date and signals a major shift in the AI developer ecosystem. Windsurf is not just another coding assistant. It's a sophisticated, enterprise-grade platform designed for dynamic refactoring, real-time collaboration, and seamless integration with massive regulated code bases. The deal is about much more than improving code generation. OpenAI already powers GitHub Copilot with its Codex models, but by acquiring Windsurf, it aims to own the entire developer stack, from the underlying AI model to the actual interface where developers work. This vertical integration would allow OpenAI to gather valuable usage data, shape how software is built, and reduce its reliance on Microsoft's infrastructure. Windsurf's strengths, such as low latency completions, context compression, and modular fine-tuning, make it especially attractive for large organizations and regulated industries. If finalized, the acquisition could bring thousands of new tech sector clients to OpenAI and further solidify its dominance as ChatGPT's weekly active users soar past 400 million. It also reflects a broader strategy to expand beyond OpenAI's core chatbot offerings and take a leading role in the next generation of AI-powered developer tools. Next, on to Anthropic's legal troubles. AI hallucinations in the courtroom. Anthropic, the AI company behind the Claude chatbot, is facing escalating legal challenges from a coalition of major music publishers, including Universal Music Group, Concord, and ABKCO, who allege that Anthropic used copyrighted song lyrics without authorization to train its AI models. The stakes in this lawsuit are high, as it could set important precedents for how copyrighted material can be used in AI training. The controversy deepened this week when an Anthropic expert witness, Olivia Chen, submitted a court filing that cited a non-existent academic article to support the company's claim that Claude rarely reproduces copyrighted lyrics. The plaintiff's lawyer discovered that the referenced article did not exist and suggested that the citation was likely generated by Anthropic's own AI, Claude. The judge has ordered Anthropic to formally respond to these allegations, emphasizing that this is a very serious and grave issue and distinguishing between a simple citation error and an AI-generated fabrication. Anthropic contends that the error was an accidental miscitation, not intentional fabrication, but the incident highlights the growing risks of AI hallucinations in high-stakes legal contexts. The case is part of a broader wave of copyright lawsuits against AI companies and underscores the need for greater scrutiny of AI-generated content in legal and professional settings. Don't miss out on these critical insights. Subscribe to our channel, Useful AI Hacks, for more in-depth AI news multiple times a week. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest on the trends and technologies shaping our future. like, share, and subscribe to join our growing community of AI enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more intriguing AI content tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.